Hi everyone, welcome to iLanguage Training Center, and this is New Concept English Book 1 video class. Assalamu alaikum sağolashlar. G'ayat tarbiyalash markazimizga yayınlanan qarşılaymiz. Endi bu bo'lsa uqum ingliz til darsi birinchi qismdagi video darslik bo'ldi. Andaqda bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan darsimiz lesson 106 and lesson 107. Alright guys, first of all, let's review some important language books from the last class. Okay, ana sağlaşda mushu avval oldingi mazmunlarni bir takrorlab o'tgandan keyin undan keyin mushu bugungi darsimizning mazmunini boshlaylik. Bo'ldi. Good job. Anaqda biz o'tgan soatlik darsimizda intayim muhim bo'lgan bir jumla shaklini o'rgangan. Okay, o bo'lsin nima dersanglar, masalan, qaranglar, masalan, mane too expensive for me to buy. Okay, so mushina shu o'tgan soatlik dars shaklidagi, masalan, something is too blah 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 too blah 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 degan shaklga o'zgartirib qo'yinglar. Masalan, buni ayirsak, masalan, the house is too expensive for me to buy. Okay, demakchi, o'shada qaranglar, bu yerga to arada p'larni oldirgan maqsad ifodalaydi. Ma first somebody degan ma'lum kishi uchun yoki ma'lum kishi uchun aytganda yoki ma'lum kishiga nisbatan qanday desanglar, ma uy qanday setib olishga intayin qimmat degan gap bo'ldi. Alright. Amsa mana qaranglar, low enough for them climb. Okay, ama zirapını görelim o resimdeki. Kösenler de bu zirapla şu tamdın igizgen demekçi ulaf için bu tam kanda yamışka asan degende üzerinde benle ne demez? Tam the wall is low enough for them. Ular için. Kanaklaşka maksada mı yargı? Ne to climb. Okay, ulardan yamışqa demekçi bu tam qanday desanglar pakar degan gap bo'ldi. Alright. What about this? Soft enough for him eat. Okay, demekçi masalan bu bo'ladi. Bu narsani yeyish intayin yetarli qolganda yetarli musharika yumshoq degan gap. Masalan, buni o'zgartirsak, the bread is soft enough for him to eat. Good. What about this? What about for that rabbit? Do you think that carrot is soft enough for it to eat? Yaki too hard for it to eat? Okay, qarasanglar, mana toshqani yemabshinami? Demakchi, uning uchun mana savza qandakan naydi va kishi qattiq yedi. Tushunarlimi? The carrot is too hard for him to eat. Okay, to eat. Okay. Answer too difficult for us to answer. Wow. Can you see that mathematical question? It's really, 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 or too difficult, right? So we can say, the question is too difficult for us to what? To answer. Okay. Demakchi, bu savol bizning javob berishimizga qanday intayin tez. What about this? Look at that car. That car is only 15,000 RMB. Okay, it's quite cheap, right? Okay, cheap enough for them to what? To buy. And you can say the car is cheap enough for them to buy. Okay, the car is cheap enough to buy. Allah'ın sözü olacak, ana yeterlik ersan. Alright guys, so let's learn lesson 106. I want you, him, her, them to, or tell him, her, them to. Degan bu cümle şeklinde görüyoruz. Bu resulting ders. Okay, answer. Qaranglar. Wow, it's very nice car, huh? Okay, tell somebody to do something. Tell somebody to do something. Nima degan gapda sizlarga savolashlar, ma'lum kishiga ma'lum ish qilishni qanday qilish deyish. Tell demak shunami? ma'lum bir ish qilishni qanday qilish deyish. Okay, endi yana bir so'zda sana want somebody to do something. Endi bu yerga want somebody to do something deganga sana ma'lum kishining ma'lum ish qilishini xohlash. Masalan, men sizningki mandaq qilib berishingizni xohlayman yoki men sizga mandaq qilsam deyman. degan jumla o'rganib o'tganman. Qanaqaqa? Qarab o'qigan bo'lsak, what do you want him to do? Okay? What do you want him to do? Okay? Endi yerga what do you want? Demakchi, uni nima ish qilib berishni xohlaysiz demakchi. Siz uni nima ish qilgandaysiz? Shunami? Nima ish qilgandaysiz? Desa, I want him to men uni mandaq qilgandayman. Tell him to uningga deb qo'ying. Uningga dang u mandaq qilsin. Alright, answer I want him to sing a song. Alright, and yerga sing a song. Naqshid ba. Men uni naqshid deyman. Yoki tell him to sing a song. Onun da qo'yang, uni naqshidsin. Endi yana bir diqqat qilgan nuqtamiz bolalar. I want him to tunikeni cho'qim fe'lni shu asl shaklga kirishi kerak, asl shaklga kirishlar. Okay. But I want him to play with me. Oh, men bilan o'ynashgan deyman. Tell him to play with me. Adab bilan u men bilan qarashsin, o'ynasin. Okay, what about play football? Okay, futbol nima? Uni futbol o'ynashgan deyman. Tell him to play football. Endi qanday qiling? Futbol o'ynashsin deb qo'yam. Sleep early. You know, I want him to sleep early. Men uni bolaroq uxlashgan deyman. Okay, and tell him to sleep early. What's the symbol? That way, and speak English. And speak English. And that English is I want him to speak English. And I want English to speak. Tell him to speak English. That way, English. Okay, good. And do my homework. And then I want him to do my homework. Tell him to do my homework. Okay. Don't want somebody to do something. And don't want. Somebody to do something. Okay? Okay, and tell somebody not to do something. What don't you want your son to do? Siz o'g'lingizdan nima ish qilmasgandaysiz? Yoki bir nima ish qilmoqingiz bor degandek, tushunami? Okay. I don't want him to or tell him not to. I don't want him to. Men uni mandaq qilmasgandayman. Masalan, I don't want him to sleep. Men uni uxlamasgandayman. I don't want him to go shopping. Bozor cho'g'inmasgan yoki maqsadga chiqmasgandayman. And I don't want him to go to school. Men uni maktabga bormasgandayman. Demakchi maktabga berishni xohlamayman. Tushunami? And I don't want him to play table tennis. Table tennis tik-tak top. Men uni tik-tak top o'ynamasgandayman. Tell him not to play table tennis. Deb qo'yam, u qanday qilsin? Tik-tak top o'ynasin. Tushunami? Masalan, tell him not to play computer games. And the dep young u qanday qilsin? Kompyuter o'ynasin. Play computer games. Play computer games. Kompyuter qanday qilsin? O'ynasin. Yoki I want him to play computer games. Men uni shu kompyuter o'yinini o'ynamasgandayman. Tushunami? Yaxshi. So guys, let's practice. And that mashq qilgaylar. Unda mashina practice qilgandek. Ingliz tilida deymiz, practice makes perfect. Mashq Hammani qanday qiladi? Okay, demak mashq qilish sizni ingliz tilini yoki siz qilayotgan shu ishni mukammallashtiradi deydigan gap. Practice makes perfect. Mashq mukammal qiladi. Demakchi siz mashq qilgan shu narsani mukammallikka qildi. Alright, and new words and expressions. Carry. Do you know carry to hold something and take it with you? Demakchi bir narsani tutib siz bilan epmenish deydi. Shu ko'tarib mangmoq, ep mangmoq degan gap. Masalan, I don't carry your bag. Nima men sizningki sumkangizni qanday qilmadim, ko'tarmadim. Okay, I don't. So can you carry this case for me? Bu çamalarni bana bir ko'tarib beramsiz ya ko'tarib evolamsiz shunami? Or you can say he always carries his dictionary. O daim uning lug'atini qanday qildi ko'tarib yurdi. Demak, nima qilasiz? Yeni qilib oldi degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, this shelf is too heavy. I can't carry it. Okay. Anda bu jaza ya taxta intayin eğe. Men onu götüremeyim. Okay. Anda kings around sağlaştı. Okay, correct. Okay, correct again. Nimdiğin gap sana. Correct means to make something right. Right deganimiz bilasizlar. Bu ne? To'g'rilamoq shunami? Shu ma'lum narsani to'g'rilamoq, tuzatmak bo'lsa, correct. Qaranglar. Correct. Such as, you know, this is wrong, right? While telling about the function is wrong, right? So please correct it. Okay. Tell her to correct again. Okay. Okay. You know, he wants to correct his answer. Okay. Özünün cevabını tüzesken deydi. Yani tüzüşünü qanaqligi xalaydi ekan. Okay, do you know how to correct it? Do you know bilamsiz how to qanday correct it? Siz uni qanday tuzishni bilamsizmi? Do you know that? Okay. And teacher is correcting your homework. Muallim qanday qilyapti? Sizningki topshiriqingizni tuzatyapti. Demakchi, the teacher and all the chiqmay qolibdi. The teacher is correcting your homework. Alright. And next one is keep. Do you know to keep? To have something and don't need to return it. Demakchi, bir narsa ega bo'lib, uni yana qaytarishingga hojat yo'q. Shunaqa. Keep deganimiz shuni saqlab qo'ymoq. Shunami? May I keep the book? Bu kitabınızı saklab qo'ysam bo'lamdi? Demakchi, bu beqasam bo'lamdi? Bu keyinchi mushu men saklab qo'ysam bo'lamdi degan gap. Like, may I keep your photo? Sizning rasmingizni saklab qo'ysam bo'lamdi degan gap. Where do you keep your money? Okay. Pulni qayerda saqlaysiz? Alright. Okay, you must keep the room warm. Okay, unda mana shunga oldingi qismda chiqqan oldingi darslarchi. You must keep the room uyni saqlanғанда warm, issiq saqlan. Uyni iliq saqlan. Demakchi temperaturasi ko'p bo'lib ketdi son. Olib qolgan jallab degan gap. Alright. And keep these dogs out of the house. And keep something out degan bir narsani yo'qma yoki sirda tutmoq demakchi. Mushu uyning sirida demakchi bu ishlarni qanday qilmang? Uyga kirgizmang degan gap bo'ldi. Alright. So guys, let's keep in touch. Good. And let's get politely keep. Demakchi bunda saqlab in touch. Demakchi birisi bunda bir touch. Touch demakchi bu nima desanlar? Aloqa qilib turayli. Aloqa qilib turayli. Masalan, yangi tanishgan do'stlar bo'lsa, shular bilan hamda birlikda aloqa qilib turish uchun let's keep in touch. Demakchi aloqa qilib turayli degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, guys, I want you to carry this case. Sizni bu chamadonni qanday qilgan deymi? Ko'targan deymi? Shunami? Okay. Qarang. What about this? I want her to come to my office. Men uni bu ishxonaga kirgizgan deyman. Demakchi, tekstilning parchasi. Okay, what about this? Tell them not to drive quickly. Deb qo'ying. Ular mashina qanday edimsin? anda tizaydım. Good. And tell him not to play with matches. Okay. Da bu yanla serenge qandaqımızın oyunumuzun play with matches deganimiz serenge oynamak, ot oynamak degan gap. I want you to drive this car. Sizni mush mashinani haydashgan deyman. Okay. And want somebody or something to do. Somebody to do something, right? Okay, and tell somebody to do something was ma'lum bir ish kishiga qanday qilish, ma'lum bir ish qilishni qanday deyish. Okay, masalan, okay, what about I want her to do homework. Okay. Mishara tugishun, amda tugash qismiga sizlar mani kesib kirganda mani hozir evadir emas, men o'sha tell him mana men xato ishlab qo'yibdim yani. Okay, guys, and tell him, such as, tell her to do my homework. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today, and see you next time. Goodbye.